Nutrition as a snacks is becoming more and more every day. And the market and demand for products like snacks is growing every year. This product is very popular over the world. Today we tell you about equipment which produce bars from same product like a muesli, granola. Today we demonstrate how to produce cereal bars on our machine MMC 200, and today we use following ingredients. First is puffed corn, second is chocolate corn drops, is chopped hazelnuts, and as a bindi we use today a syrup. For mixing we load our ingredients to mixer. We add our bindi. Remind it's a syrup today. When we fill a syrup, we should mix it together. Next our step, we load mixed ingredients to hopper of our forming machine. Open top door and load our ingredients to hopper. Production lines which we offered for production of cereal and muesli bars composed from mixers, forming machines, cooling tunnels, anaerobing machines, and packing machines as well. You can find more information in our website www.vulture.com. You are welcome.